Hello everyone. In this video, we'll connect these ESCs to the motors. This is the drive motor and this is for turning. So I have two ESCs here. I have connected these two ESCs parallelly. So this is the input wire. If I connect battery here, both ESCs will receive the electricity, and these are the output terminals. We need to connect motors here, and these are the signal cables. So here I will take heat string sleeves and I will connect this directly to the motor. In this way, we have connected these ESCs to the motors.